Have you ever pondered the intricacies of artificial intelligence? Welcome to our exploration of this compelling domain. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI, unpacking its definition, its real-world applications, the reasons to learn about it, and the benefits it promises. Artificial intelligence, more commonly known as AI, is essentially the science of developing computer systems capable of executing tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks span the spectrum from learning and problem-solving to speech recognition and decision-making. AI is an umbrella term under which falls weak or narrow AI designed for a specific task, and strong or general AI, competent enough to carry out any intellectual task a human being can. You may ask, how does AI manifest in our everyday lives? The answer is, in more ways than you might realize. AI is the silent force behind voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and the algorithm that recommends your next binge watch on Netflix. From healthcare and finance to transportation, AI is revolutionizing industries one after the other. It aids in diagnosing medical conditions, detecting fraudulent activities, and even powering autonomous vehicles, making our lives more streamlined and efficient. But why should you learn AI? The primary reason is the burgeoning demand for AI professionals. Acquiring AI skills paves the way for lucrative career opportunities in thriving fields like data science, machine learning, and AI development. And it's not just a playground for programmers. AI skills have found relevance across a multitude of industries. Knowing AI has its share of benefits. It fine-tunes your problem-solving skills, teaching you to approach challenges with an analytical mindset and come up with innovative solutions. Moreover, a sound understanding of AI equips you to make informed decisions in a world where technology is increasingly calling the shots. It's a skill that gives you an edge in the competitive job market of today. To sum up, AI is a dynamic field with the potential to shape our future. Whether you're intrigued by the technology itself or are looking to broaden your career prospects, embarking on the AI journey is a rewarding experience. Stay with us for more insights into artificial intelligence.